Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Clearco, formerly Clearbanc, funding review my usage experience. Clearco, formerly Clearbanc, funding review my usage experience offers revenue-based financing for e-commerce businesses. It's designed to help online retailers scale their operations by providing funding in exchange for a percentage of future revenue. Key features include fast application processing and flexible repayment terms. Their website provides details on eligibility requirements and the application process. Clearco emphasizes a straightforward application and funding process, with no hidden fees or long-term contracts, unlike some traditional lenders. They highlight their focus on speed and ease of access to capital, positioning themselves as a quick solution for businesses needing funding. Availability is determined based on the applicant's eligibility criteria, which can be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Clearco. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The application process was entirely online, and I completed it within an hour. The interface was clean and intuitive. I found navigating the dashboard and understanding the terms straightforward. The funding itself arrived in my account within 3 business days, which was much faster than I anticipated. I was particularly impressed by the transparency of the repayment calculations. It was easy to see how much I owed and when payments were due. I had a quick question about my repayment schedule and their support responded within a day via email, very helpful. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited reporting features. It provided the necessary data, but a more detailed breakdown of revenue streams would have been beneficial. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Clearco. The speed of funding and the ease of the entire process significantly helped my business during a crucial growth phase. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and I would recommend it to other e-commerce businesses looking for fast and flexible funding. That's my overview of Clearco, formerly Clearbanc, funding review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.